1 jump, 2 jump, 3 jumps, 4 jumps. Wow, Peppa, you did really well. Thanks, Gerald. For you. But it's a little too hot for jump rope. Yes, it's very hot, isn't it? I wonder how hot it is. The thermometer will tell you. What's a thermometer, Mummy? Thermometer, Peppa. That's a funny word. Thermometer! Here, I'll show you. It tells you how hot or cold something is. What's it saying now? It says it's very hot. We need to find something cold to cool us down. Ice cream is cold, isn't it, Mummy? Yes, it is, Peppa. Yay! Ice cream, get your ice cream. Yes, please. The thermometer said it is very hot, and Mummy says we need something cold to cool us down. Oh, well, ice cream will do just the trick.
Ho, ho.
Here we go.
Yippee!
Oh no! What's wrong with our ice cream, Daddy? It looks like it's too hot for the ice cream. It's melted. What are we going to do? Our ice creams keep melting because it's too hot. I think I might have an idea. What's that for, Daddy? This is a fan, Peppa. We use it when it gets too hot. Hopefully it will make things cool enough so you can enjoy your ice cream. Here goes. It's too cold now.
Oh.
Turn it off! Turn it off! Oh dear, it's broken. Well, at least your ice cream won't melt. Oh, the ice cream is hard. Oh, it's now so cold that the ice cream is frozen solid. That's not good. We need to eat our ice cream somewhere where it's not too hot and not too cold. Very clever, Peppa. Mummy Pig, what's the temperature inside the motorhome? The thermometer says it's in the middle. Not too hot, not too cold. Right. The motorhome is the perfect place to eat your ice cream. I think I have another idea. Ready?
Ready!
Ice cream delivery. Get it while it's cold. Ho!
Wow!
Yummy! Not too hot, not too cold. Perfect.